local cars being stolen this year. That number only expected to go up. So how does this impact the price you pay when it comes to car insurance premiums? Let's bring in an expert on the case, and that would be the senior founding partner at Donaldson and Weston, Weston, joining me live on the program to talk about what this means for all of us. And so when you have here in Las Vegas, we have some 30 families impacted by this each and every day as cars are being ripped off at a rate at every 40 minutes. What can we do knowing that this is a real deal here? Let's say my car is stolen. What is the very first thing that I should do?
The very first thing you should do is contact the police and get a police report. You're going to be required, in order to file a claim with your insurance company, to have what's called comprehensive insurance in the case of a theft. But without a police report, you can't file a claim. So file a police report immediately. But before that happens, make sure you have comprehensive insurance on your automobile policy, which is actually not required in the state of Nevada.
And then also, Dante, talk to me about all of the different steps that you have to take. And for some people who are living paycheck to paycheck, having to jump some of these hurdles, it's not like the insurance company just gives you an instant check to replace your car. What do you do in the interim if you're in limbo?
Yeah, make sure that your automobile insurance coverage has what's called rental car insurance. Again, not required in the state of Nevada. And in the case of not being in an accident, you couldn't even go against someone and try to get them to pay for your rental car. So make sure you have rental car insurance, because otherwise you're going to be without wheels. In addition, there's a 30-day wait before you can even file a claim if your car goes missing. So you're going to be without wheels for a while.
All right, I have a 17-year-old driver in my household, and she is okay, but she's had a pretty catastrophic accident where it totaled her vehicle. Is there anything I can do having her on my insurance as far as any sort of a discount? Is there a class she can take? Anything that we can put as far as software to track her driving moving forward?
Yeah, every single carrier is going to have different requirements and potential different ways to save. So we highly recommend shopping around, but also keep in mind, look up the quality of your insurance carrier. Sometimes the carrier that might be a little bit of a savings has a bad track record for paying if you have a claim. So you have to balance not only the cost, but also what you're getting in return. And that's what we call value, and that's what you need to balance.
Dante Weston with wise words for all of us this morning. We appreciate your time and talent, and unfortunately, it sounds like a lot of people watching this segment right now are going to have to employ what you just shared. Thank you, Dante. At 6:06.